Ladies and gents, this is the Bilge, and it's a chaos once again. But have a look at this. So, we have the keel bolts that they appear to have some rust. We knew that since the survey and even before that. And there is a lot of debris and dirt and dust and human hair and wooden trims or whatever that is. And okay. So I need to tackle this and then measure the through house here also. It's gonna be fun. Not really. It's super hot. Well, the bilge is clean. Well, I wouldn't call it clean, but free of dust and debris at least.